Fiji's allure is undeniable, but savvy travelers know that preparation is key to a perfect island getaway. Let's dive into what you need to know for health and safety in Fiji. Before you jet off, check your vaccinations. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends protection against hepatitis A and B, typhoid, and yellow fever. Carry your vaccination card and stay updated on mosquito-borne diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Sun safety is non-negotiable. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen, wear a hat, and stay hydrated. Fiji's sun is intense, and heat-related illnesses are a real concern. Listen to your body and take breaks to cool down. Water activities are a highlight, but respect the ocean. Use reputable tour operators, swim in lifeguarded areas, and don't disturb the marine life. Safety first means a better experience in Fiji's beautiful waters. When it comes to exploring, Fiji's islands like the Yasawa and Mamanuca are must-sees. Balance your itinerary between adventure and relaxation to fully embrace the island life. Immerse yourself in Fijian culture with respect. Participate in a kava ceremony, visit local villages, and engage with the community. Remember, modest dress and understanding social norms go a long way. Time management is essential. Fiji operates on island time, so plan with flexibility. Prioritize your must-see destinations and allow for downtime to soak in the Fijian pace of life. Travel documents are your golden ticket. Ensure your passport is valid for 6 months beyond your stay, and check visa requirements. Keep digital backups and consider enrolling in the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program for U.S. citizens. Don't overlook travel insurance. It should cover medical expenses, trip cancellations, and activities like scuba diving. Review your policy carefully, especially for COVID-related claims. Be mindful of local laws to avoid trouble. Seek information on activities that might need permissions, and always respect local customs to enhance your travel experience. Finally, pack smart for the tropics. Lightweight clothing, sturdy footwear, and rain gear during the wet season are essentials. Include a first aid kit, high SPF sunscreen, and insect repellent for health and comfort. Remember, modest attire is key for village visits. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to a safe and unforgettable journey to Fiji. Happy travels! Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.